world market analysts at long last understand that ongoing monetary frameworks are imperfect and unsteady. The world necessitates a substantially more steady and dependable money. Blockchains were created by researchers on a calculation that could resolve the issues concerning sustainability and scalability. Notwithstanding, there actually stayed a few inquiries unanswered. On numerous occasions, the crossover agreement system of blockchain and different tokens spinning around it has additionally been in warmed conversations. Before we dive into the Tezos cost forecast, let us examine a portion of the exceptional highlights of Tezos. Nonetheless, not very many organizations have really gone into tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchange in local area. Tremendous exchange expenses and absence of straightforwardness are significant obstacles in experimentally evolved stages. Numerous digital currencies neglected to review these issues. Cryptographic forms of money like Tezos has continuously swarmed the standard awareness and gotten momentum. It has stood the trial of times and will keep on doing so given it sees a mass reception. Despite the fact that exchanges are kept in the general blockchain, neither the shipper nor the beneficiary and not even the sum moved is in any capacity evident to different clients on the organization. The whole structure of Tezos depends on zero revelation proof, in this manner permitting numerical consistency of the whole exchange method, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or a message on the other party engaged with the exchange. Putting the power at last in the possession of the client, Tezos has standard overhaul plans, and that implies this convention is versatile to meet the differed use instances of today and the unanticipated use instances of tomorrow. Tezos can trap false or deceptive exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block can follow the first block. Tezos, evolution from gene to giant. Breaking free from the past blockchain, Tezos was begat as one more transformation in the realm of second-age blockchain in the year 2018. Affectionately called a local digital money, Tezos blockchain is equipped for facilitating shrewd agreements and dApps. Presently what compels Tezos stand apart from its rivals like ETH, Bitcoin, and others is that here the direction is incorporated into the blockchain itself. Every one of the proprietors, i.e., financial backers of Tezos, the local crypto XTZ, vote on choices connected with the blockchain, including convention changes. Endorsed changes are then naturally applied, as the blockchain is self-changeable. This exceptional attribute causes the whole convention to bring steadiness, particularly with no significant stage-situated picture changes. Dealing with proof-of-stake, POS, causes Tezos to bring the benefit of lesser exchange charges to the table. In the POS framework, where stakers are called pastry specialists can secure their tokens in return for the capacity to approve blocks. XTZ tokens with a typical measure of remunerations get disseminated to pastry specialists to wallets that have assigned tokens to the dough puncher. This empowers more modest symbolic holders to take part in the approval and prize process on the off chance that they hold not exactly the necessary add up to turn into a full cook. Tezos is likewise effectively engaged with reshaping regulation and consistent to imaginative business norms testing the ongoing biological system. Group Tezos understands that blockchain's maximum capacity can be outfit just when the major system is set up to make this progressive innovation a little glimpse of heaven. A very much monitored group of devoted experts and researchers of Tezos incorporates Hubertus Thunhauser as the chairman with Alexis Bond, Daniel Masters, and Marilyn Michelaud as members of the Tezos Foundation Council. The executive committee of Tezos has prominent names like Ulrich Soter, General Counsel, Arthur Brightman, co-founder and CEO, and Roman Schneider as the Chief Financial Officer. The last year was moving with energy to express P2, predominantly because of pandemic negative patterns winning carrying the coin to 90 pennies. Notwithstanding, the start of 2022 implied XTZ could offer a buy to all negative and critical patterns for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for XTZ. It could mean the beginning of a period of expectations and commitments brimming with positive thinking. There could be a figure of marvels in the realm of cryptographic forms of money like XTZ, there could be enchantment temporarily. 5 years is quite a while. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul as opposed to the present moment. As per the most recent long-haul Tezos cost gauge, the coin cost will hit $5 by the center of 2022 and afterward $10 toward the finish of 2024. The Tezos forecast expressed states that the coin would arrive at $7.56 by 2022. As indicated by late long-haul figures, the cost of Tezos, XTZ, will cross $13.58 toward the finish of 2022, $9.81 toward the finish of 2023 and $59.88 toward the finish of 2025. Tezos will then, at that point, be valued at $48.18 in 2027, and $168.68 in 2030. Tezos price prediction 2022. In the event that all market factors turn for Tezos, this cryptographic money cost will perform extravagantly, scaling the top as aforementioned, violating all impediments over the course of the following year. Despite the fact that it might show a few languid patterns, it would unquestionably give indications of fortune for its financial backers. Supported by hearty savvy gets, the Tezos cost may effortlessly contact $5.60. Before the year's over 2022. Tezos price prediction 2023. The geniuses cut the usefulness behind Tezos digital currency. Thus, over a time of, say, 3 years, the token is set to get a move on with different coins to show up at $6.8 cost. Financial backers, notwithstanding, need to look out for any unexpected elements. No one could anticipate the pandemic. Tezos price prediction 2024. Keeping in context, there are no boomerang impacts in the digital currency markets. Tezos is good to go to certify areas of strength for it has a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backer certainty continues blasting, bringing about a significant push to the Tezos coin cost, taking it across all hindrances scaling $8. Tezos price prediction 2025. A stunning good faith is likewise anticipated for the XTZ cost, fundamentally because of its predictable presentation throughout the long term. Consequently, this year will be a super gold mine for the cryptographic money market as the valued computerized resource will outperform all assumptions and flood in front of its significant obstruction level. Seeing an ascent more than ever, the Tezos cost makes certain to cross another record-breaking high of $10 from where it stands today. Tezos price prediction 2026. Presumably, a simple-to-utilize Tezos, XTZ, is great. It is more useful and promising when it is not difficult to spend. Tezos laid out a quick,